Chief Technology and Digital Innovation Officer for the City of Barcelona. This means that I lead the digital strategy for the Barcelona City Council. So I'm in charge of smart city, I'm in charge of data strategy and data policy, and also digital innovation and digital empowerment. And I've been working many years advising the European Commission on future internet and digital economy policies. And I was before working for Nesta UK, the UK Innovation Agency, and I've been advising the European Commission on projects like apps, collective awareness platforms, and digital social innovation. So it's trying to promote innovation and technology that really serve people and the public good. So the Ledger project, I think it's an amazing opportunity for the innovators community in Europe, addressing bottom-up innovation, community of startups, but also social cooperatives, citizens themselves, and really innovators that are developing next-generation technologies that are privacy-enhancing, decentralized, and rights-preserving. And you can apply, you can get quite some funding. I think it's a very generous funding from the EU. We're talking about 200,000 euros per project. And you need to show that your technology is human-centric, so it really serves community and people. It's putting people rights and people needs at the center, and you need to show that you are developing technologies that can have impact for the wider society, so public impact, not only create revenues for the developers or for the companies that develop the technology, so not only private profit, but they have to clearly deliver societal impact. I'm also the founder of the Decode project, which is a project that Ledger builds on. And Decode is developing solution for data sovereignty, which means to give back democratic control about data and personal information to people and to citizens themselves. And I think it touches upon one of the big or main problems that we have in the digital economy, which is a digital economy that centralizes power, and the business model of the big platforms, which are, by the way, mostly non-European, is based on commercial exploitation and manipulation of personal information and data. And I think one of the problems, and that we're trying to address also with the Ledger, is how we can build systems that have privacy, security, and ethics by design built into the system, but also that propose a different economic model that's not based on surveillance capitalism, but it is based on sovereignty and the construction of digital commons, so that we can also have economic models that redistribute rewards, that create public value, so that those digital infrastructures that will underpin our future societies are owned by the community, are owned by the people, by the citizens themselves, and they have a governance model that is more democratic and is accountable. So getting to your point, I think this technology like the city in Barcelona or crypto-preserving privacy enhancing tools should be scaled at European level for democratic participation, because they can be used to generally empower communities and citizens and not to extract private rent, basically private profit only by this technology. So it's addressing a big question over power in the digital age. And obviously these projects are funded by public institutions. So in a sense, we are also trying to restore this trust into public institutions. So, if it's not funded by military money or not only for commercial ventures, so the interest is not short-term revenue, yes, at whatever cost, but the interest is long-term innovation that can really transform our societies, while at the same time we want to preserve citizen rights, worker rights, we want companies to pay taxes, so we want basically to create a more fair economy.